at multiplying fractions, and we've multiplied whole numbers, regular fractions, and now we're going to look at multiplying a mixed number by a mixed number. So we know if we have a mixed number, that means that we have a whole number and a fraction. And our first step, if you have a mixed number, is to turn it into an improper fraction. So just to remind you on how to turn a mixed number into an improper fraction, we're going to use the MAD strategy where we are multiplying our denominator times our whole number. So 2 for 1 1/2, that's 2 times 1. And then we're going to add our numerator, which is 1. And then we're going to put it all back over our denominator. So we have 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 1, which is 3. And we're going to put it over the denominator, which is 2. So 1 1/2 equals 3 over 2. So I'm going to write that underneath. Our second mixed number is 2 3/4. So I'm going to use the same strategy. I'm going to multiply my denominator times my whole number, and then I'm going to add my numerator. So I have 4 times 2 plus 3. I'm going to put it all back over my denominator, which is 4. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11 over 4. So my original problem was 1 1/2 times 2 3/4, and I've turned them into an improper fraction. So I have 3 over 2 times 11 over 4. And we know when we multiply fractions, we multiply our numerator times our numerator. So 11 times 3 is 33. And then we multiply our denominator times our denominator. And that equals 2 times 4, which is 8. So I have 33 over 8. This is an improper fraction, and we want to always change our improper fractions back to mixed numbers. So I'm going to set up my division problem where my numerator goes inside the house and my denominator goes outside the house. So I have 8 going into 33, or 33 divided by 8. So 8 can go into 33 4 times, which equals 32. Subtract, and I get 1 left over. So I know that 33 over 8 equals 4 1/8, which is 1 1/2 times 2 3/4 equals 4 1/8. And that is multiplying mixed numbers.